Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a young girl with sparkling gray eyes and wavy blonde hair. She had a heart of gold and a smile that could light up the darkest of days. She was known throughout the land for her kindness and compassion. One day, while exploring the castle, she stumbled upon a hidden room filled with beautiful dresses. Among them was a stunning gown that shimmered like 1,000 stars. It was a dress like Cinderella's, and it fit her perfectly. From that day on, she would put on the dress and twirl around the castle, pretending to be the beautiful princess. She would imagine that she was attending a grand ball where everyone was celebrating her beauty and grace. As the years went by, she grew into a kind and graceful young woman, always remembering the valuable lesson her parents had taught her. One day, a handsome prince from a neighboring kingdom came to visit. He had heard many tales of her beauty and was eager to meet her. When he first saw her, he was mesmerized by her sparkling gray eyes and flowing blonde hair. He had never seen anyone so beautiful. They began to dance together, and he asked her hand in marriage. She accepted, and they were soon married in a beautiful ceremony. As the news of their engagement spread throughout the land, people from all over came to celebrate. The kingdom was filled with joy and happiness. On the day of the wedding, she looked stunning in a white gown, her blonde hair adorned with diamonds. The prince looked dashing in his royal attire, and together they made a perfect couple. After the ceremony, they rode through the streets in a golden carriage, waving to their subjects. Everyone wished them a lifetime of happiness and prosperity. As they drove to their new home, the princess couldn't help but smile. She had found true love, and she knew that her parents would be proud of the choices she had made. They lived happily ever after, ruling their kingdom with wisdom and compassion. And whenever the princess felt a little down, she would remember the valuable lesson her parents had taught her, and the dress like Cinderella's that had made her dreams come true.